Yesterday we have learned, in the previous class we have learned about the mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? 1 by f equals to 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. This is the mirror formula. And the picture, how we have drawn the picture? First we have taken a concave mirror. We have taken a concave mirror, and this is the principal axis, and this one is the pole of the mirror, and we kept the object in front of the concave mirror. And what is the first light ray we have taken here? The first light ray is the parallel to the principal axis, and after incident this principal axis it is going to the focal point of the mirror, and focal point is indicating by capital F. And the second light ray we have taken, that is going through the center of the curvature C, and it is after incident on the mirror surface, it is reflected back to the same way but in the opposite direction, and it is point Y and here it is point X. And here sign conventions. If the object is kept here, AB object is kept here, then how can you measure the object distance? Either it has to be taken as positive value or negative value. And here, if you want to measure any measurement, and say radius of curvature, or focal length, or object distance, or object height, or image height, then here the image will be formed from, and this is the image height. And some sign conventions are there. And what are the sign conventions? We shall learn today. Okay, first one, all the distances should be measured from the pole. First one is all the distances. Either if you are measuring the focal length or center of curvature or object distance or anything, if you are measuring those values are measured from the pole of the mirror. It must be measured from the pole of the mirror. And second one, the distances measured in the direction of incident of light to be taken as positive, and those measured in the direction opposite to incident light to be taken negative. Okay, so incident of light, the way of incident of light, in which direction the light is going here? From B to X. From B to X. So if you are measuring those values and the light ray is passing in this direction, actually we are measuring the all values from the pole only. So that means if you are measuring the values from pole to this side, that means this is the light ray direction. So if you are measuring the values from here and here and here, and those values are measuring in the positive values. Otherwise, if you are measuring the values in the opposite to the light ray incident direction, opposite to the light ray direction, that means these values, focal length value or center of curvature or value or object distance or image distance, all the measurements will be taken as negative values. This is the second one. And third one, height of the object and height of the image are positive if measured upward from the axis, and negative if measured downwards. And the third one is, what is the third measurement? Third sign convention. If you are measuring the values from the principal axis, above principal axis, that means up direction of the principal axis, we have to take it as the positive values. If the values are measuring towards the downwards of the principal axis, those values to be taken as negative direction. This is negative direction. These are the three sign conventions while you are measuring the values from a mirror. So first one is all the surfaces should be, all the values, all the measurements should be measured from the pole of the mirror. And second one is, if you are measuring the measurements in the way of incident of light, that should be taken as positive. And if you are taking the values in the opposite direction to the light ray, and those are taken as negative values. And the third one is, if you are measuring the values from the principal axis to upside of the principal axis, and those values should be taken as positive. And if you are taking those values downside towards the principal axis, those values should be taken as negative values. And the next one is magnification. Next topic is magnification. After the sign conventions, next topic is magnification. What is magnification? So we are going to learn now. First, take a concave mirror. This is the non-reflecting surface. Take a concave mirror and draw the principal axis of the mirror, and this one is the pole of the mirror. Just keep an object. Keep an object here that is indicating by O and O dash. Keep an object here that is indicating by O and O dash. And what is the first light ray we are taking here? That is the first light ray which is parallel to the principal axis of the mirror. The first light ray we are taking, this one is which is parallel to the principal axis of the mirror, and after incident of the mirror going from where this is, it is going through the focal point of the mirror. It is going through the focal point of the mirror, and the second light ray we are taking here which is incident on the pole of the mirror. The second light ray we are taking here which is incident on the pole of the mirror with some angle theta, and this one is angle of incident, and after incident it is reflecting and going another way, and with the angle of theta, that is angle of reflection. Okay, and these two light rays are intersecting with each other at point I dash. At one point these two light rays are intersecting with each other. This point is I dash, and we are drawing the normal line from I to I dash, from the principal axis to intersecting point, and this will be the image of the object. And here from the figure we can observe some triangles here. The two triangles we can observe here, that is I dash P and O dash P. These two are the similar triangles from the figure. The same process which we have used in the mirror formula, and here we are also using the same formula here. And what are the triangles here? Same similar triangles. I dash P and O triangle O dash P. Both these are similar triangles. Okay, from the triangles ratio we can write here Pi by PO. We can write that Pi by PO and I dash by O dash. We can write that ratio. So Pi by PO and equals to, what is the second triangle? I dash by O dash. Okay, so I dash by O dash. So here, and we need some values. We need Pi value, PO value, I dash value, and O dash value. So Pi means what? Here Pi means what? The distance between the pole of the mirror and the image. So what is the image distance? We are indicating in the image distance. Pi. Image distance Pi equals to V. So in which direction we are taking is opposite direction of the incident of light. So this will be the negative value. And the next second one is PO. What is PO here? PO, the distance between the pole of the mirror and object, that is indicating by which letter? U. So object distance equals to object distance. What is object distance? PO equals to indicating by U, and this is also taking in the opposite direction of incident ray of light. So that is also negative values. And next one is I dash. What is this? Image height. So next one is image height. Image height equal to image height. What is that? I dash equals to H I, and this is taking towards the downside direction of the principal axis. Again, according to sign conventions, this is also negative value. And the next one, what is the next one? O dash. What is the O dash here? Object. And object height. Object height. What is the object height here? O dash equals to H O. It is indicating by H O, and this is the positive value. And substitute all these values in this thing. This is equation 1. Substitute all these values in equation 1. What is Pi? Pi equals to minus V. And what is PO? PO equals to minus U, and that equals to I dash. What is I dash here? I dash minus HI, height of the image. And the next one is, what is O dash? O dash. What is the object height? That is HO. This is only positive value, and minus will be cancelled, and HI by H0 equals to V by U. Minus HI by H0 equals to V by U. This is the magnification. This is the magnification formula, and we can write this magnification equals to, we can write the definition. Magnification equals to minus height of the image by, and height of the object. Height of the image by height of the object. And we can write another formula here, that is magnification equals to what is that? This one is image distance and this one is object distance. So image distance by object distance. Image distance by object distance. These two formulas we can use to find out the magnification.